Welcome, friend, to this most incredible journey, a journey that will leave you feeling joyful, relaxed, and, best of all, ready for a peaceful night of rejuvenating sleep. We will begin by calming your mind and body. Gently rest your elbows beside you, allowing your hands to rest on your stomach. Take a deep breath, making sure you send the breath all the way down to your stomach. Slowly blow out. As you breathe, you should feel your hands rising up with every inhalation and down with every exhalation. Very good. Continue concentrating on your breathing. This is good to do anytime, day or night, when you are feeling tired, overwhelmed, or a little anxious. Simply take a couple minutes to practice your deep breathing. Not only will it calm you down, it will gently energize your body and mind. Let's take the breathing one step further. As you breathe in, imagine the colors of the rainbow streaming in through your nose. Picture in your mind that these colors are swirling around the inside of every part of your body. Make sure the colors get all the way up to your head and all the way down to your toes. Now, picture a small cloud hovering right outside of your mouth. Every time you have a negative, unwanted thought, place these words, ideas, or pictures onto the cloud and blow the cloud away as you exhale. Can you see the cloud carrying these worries away? Perhaps you had an argument with a friend. Put it on the cloud and blow it away. Are you worried about an upcoming test? Blow away your concerns. It is important to get rid of these unproductive emotions and replace them with feelings of self-confidence and love. If you do this on a regular basis, you will feel lighter and more carefree. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Take a moment to blow out all worries, fears, anger, as well as any other limiting emotion, while continuing to breathe in the incredible calming colors of the rainbow. Now, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. When I reach the number 1, you will feel completely relaxed. 10, feeling good. 9, relaxing and letting go. 8, you are looking forward to the journey we are about to take. 7, concentrating on your breath. 6, 5, 4, opening up to wonderful possibilities. possibilities. 3, allowing yourself to go to that special place. 2, feeling light and joyful. And when I pronounce the last number, take another deep breath, allowing yourself to be in a very relaxed, calm state. And 1. Doesn't that feel good? Imagine yourself walking down a path. This is a dirt path that is well worn. On both sides of you, there is a thick forest of plants and trees. It feels as if you are in the heart of a rainforest. Some of the plants, which are low to the ground, have huge heart-shaped leaves swaying back and forth in the light breeze. Look at all the many different types of trees. Stop for a moment to touch one of these trees. How does it feel? Look up into the trees. Do you notice any wildlife resting in the canopy of leaves above you? Perhaps there is a toucan of many incredible colors. You know that any animals that appear in this journey are kind and loving. They are here to support you. Continue on down the path. Take time to look around. What else do you notice? Is the air thick? Is it cool or warm? Do you smell the tropical plants? Up ahead, there is a streak of sunlight streaming down onto the trail. Step into the sunlight and stop. Tilt your head up towards the sun. Can you feel the warmth of the sun on your face? It feels so good, as if it is warming up your whole body, inside and out. Take a big, deep breath of the sun, bringing into your body all the energy and joy that it has to give. You become aware of a cool, refreshing mist brushing against your cheeks. It seems to be coming from up ahead. As you stroll down the path, you begin to hear the sound of water. With each step, you relax even more. There is a bend in the path up ahead. You can feel the energy rising up from within your body. You somehow know that you are almost there. As you turn the corner, you become surrounded by a beautiful mist. The mist is a doorway that I invite you to walk through. You may notice yourself becoming lighter and more joyful. The mist begins to thin out, revealing the most incredible nature scene. In front of you is a beautiful waterfall that is splashing into a pool of turquoise and blue waters. The colors are more vivid. The smells all have a healing purpose. The sounds are tranquil and relaxing. You approach the edge of the pond and stick your toes into the cool, refreshing wetness. Your body immediately soaks in the incredible, peaceful energy of the pool. All aches, pains, and concerns simply melt away. The waterfall is falling from a beautiful copper and silver canyon wall. There seems to be diamonds reflecting off the wall as well as on the surface of the pond. As you look off to the side, there appears to be a grand rainbow reaching from the middle of the fall, extending into the forest that completely surrounds and protects this paradise. The colors are so bright, it looks as if an artist has just stepped away from their freshly painted masterpiece. Which color are you drawn to? Walk around the pond so that you can view the waterfall from the side. As you gaze through the water from this new perspective, you notice that the path that has led you this far leads right up to a wide ledge, leading you directly behind the waterfall. This is incredible. You slowly walk onto the ledge as if testing its strength. Once you are sure that it is safe, you walk forward as you hold your hands out to catch the random drops of water that have escaped the forceful waterfall. You breathe in the strong smell of the fresh water, sending it throughout your body. Look over your shoulder. There appears to be an opening to a cave of some sort. You enter the circular doorway slowly, yet with great anticipation. What is inside? Who has been here before? What secrets do the cave walls hold? Inside, you find rounded clay walls and interesting stalactites hanging from the low ceiling. The air is heavy with humidity, and the temperature is perfect. The rounded, copper-colored cavern walls are etched with ancient writings. What do they say? What answers do they hold for you? Lightly run your hands over the writing. Your fingertips seem to be tapping into the author's energy. A feeling of inspiration comes over you. You are in total awe over this truly awesome place. In the center of the cave, there is a very old, well-worn chair. It appears that the chair has been molded out of the clay-like material from the walls. As you sit, you realize that the chair molds to your body as if it was made for you. Miraculously, candles appear all around you, casting a soft gold light. The shadows from the ceiling formations are dancing from the candlelight. As you look closer at the stalactites, it looks as if the shapes are changing colors. What color do you see? The shadows, colors, and the healing sound of the waterfall simply take you away. Relax, enjoy, soak in all the wonders this cave has to offer. The time has come to leave. Slowly get up from your resting spot and walk back to the opening of the cave. Turn around to take a final look at your special place. You are thankful for this time. As you find your way back to the path, you realize that your body is completely relaxed and ready for sleep. With each step, your eyes are getting heavier and heavier. You come upon a patch of thick, lush grass with a perfect view of the waterfall and the rainforest that surrounds this tropical paradise. Sit down on the grass. Run your hands across the cool, moist blades. Your gaze is drawn once again to the beautiful rainbow. You slowly begin to melt into the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color holding a special meaning and message for you. You are thankful for this journey and can't wait to visit again. You gently lay your head onto the grassy bed, allowing yourself to drift into a peaceful slumber. Good night, sweet dreams.